Welcome back to another video. We've got a quick air fryer meal tonight. We're going to cook up some sausage butties with brown sauce. Let's take a look at what we've got. Got these extra special 6 Lincolnshire pork sausages from Asda. I'll stick the price on the screen. As expected, high in fat, high in saturates, medium in salt there. That's the front of the pack nutritional information, if you wanted to take a look at that for yourself. Let's have a look at the back of the pack. Ingredients wise, 83% pork, bit of water, egg white, rice flour, parsley, chickpea flour, salt, sage, onion powder, sage powder, some spices. Got some allergens in there as well, the egg and the sodium sulfite. There's the nutritional information on these sausages. And we've got the option of grill, fry or oven cook. We're going to give these a go in the air fryer. We're going to have them in those rolls that we bought, along with some Just Essentials brown sauce. We're going to give that a try out and see how that fares. There's the sausages then. Look quite nice. Looks like they've got some seasoning and spices and herbs in there. Look quite tasty then. I'm going to be doing these in the air fryer. We are new to this, so we're probably going to go for about 15 minutes at 180. We'll take a look about halfway through. Here we go then. We want 180. 180. We're going to go for, what did I say, 15 odd minutes. 15 odd minutes. We'll take a look at them about halfway through the cooking time. I'll bring you back shortly. We're about halfway through. Let's take a look. Oh, look at them. Whoa. Look at that, we've had one burst, but yeah, they look right good. Oh, we've had 2 bursts. I'm steamed up again. Yeah, they are browning up really nice. Yeah, it looks to be cooking these really well. We'll put them back in for the rest of the time. We'll come back. This is them after 15 minutes. Look how good they look. They look right good. I'm probably going to give them another couple of minutes just to brown up a bit more, and then we'll take a temperature measurement and see what temperature they're at inside. We want to make sure they are properly cooked. Right, we've given them a couple of extra minutes. Let's take a look. Whoa, look at them. They look absolutely fantastic. They really do. The colour on them and everything, yeah, they've cooked really well. What we're going to do, we're going to measure the temperature because they are the thick sausages, not the chipolatas. So I'm going to take one out. We still need to get our silicone cooking implements. We're expecting about, I think it was 87 for sausages. And we've got 100 degrees. Wow, they've cooked really well.
Should we cut one?
Yeah, let's cut one open. Take a look inside. Cannot believe how well they've cooked and how consistently they're cooked.
Quite lovely, really, aren't they?
Look at them. Steaming hot. Look at them. I'm going to be serving them up with some of this on these bread rolls. Can't beat a sausage butty. Look at them made up, look. Look at them. Plenty of brown sauce on there. That was in shot. If not, you've just got a view of some sausage. Right then, time for the taste test. Here we go in then for the taste test. These sausages, I cannot believe how well these have cooked. They are really good. They have cooked really, really well. No burnt bits, moist sausages inside, the moist inside, the outside is cooked lovely. Yeah. I must say, I'm really impressed cooking these sausages in the air fryer. I really, really am. Yeah, without any shadow of a doubt. It has cooked these absolutely lovely. Now somebody did say to go for the higher quality sausages because the cheaper ones tend to give off a lot more fat and you can get some smoking. But there was no smoking with these Asda sausages. It's cooked them absolutely lovely. Sometimes you cook them in the oven or the pan, you get burnt bits on one side, they end up char grilled. The brown sauce, let's take a look there. We've got quite a lot oozing out there. So it's the Asda Just Essentials brown sauce. I'll stick the price on the screen. It's probably more like, I don't think it's as tangy as HP. I'd say it's more fruity, like the Daddy's sauce. You can tell there's probably less spices in there. It's a very slightly different flavour, but it's still not too bad. Yeah, I would have it again. Yeah, for sure. And it's made this nice addition to these sausage butties. Can't beat a sausage butty, can you, for your tea? I'm going to get off now and enjoy the rest of this. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.